What's up, guys, gadget nerds, photography geeks, and dreamers who wake up every single day thinking, man, why can't we just have real DSLR power packed inside the body of a smartphone? Well, strap in, because today's episode is made specifically for you. We're diving into a beast of a smartphone that hasn't even hit retail shelves yet, but the mere rumors are already setting the entire tech world on fire. Head over to Reddit, scroll through X, or glance at any tech YouTube comment section. There is literally only one name on everyone's lips right now. People are genuinely prepping to trade in their current flagships, crunching trade-in numbers, and losing sleep hoping to get their hands on this thing. Let's be crystal clear right out of the gate, this isn't your typical yearly iterative bump. We aren't talking about a microscopic camera tweak, 2% extra of battery efficiency, or a tiny processor spec bump. No, this is an absolute industry revolution. This is the kind of extreme engineering that makes you pause and ask, is this real life, or is it straight up science fiction? Today, we are breaking down the monster Sony Xperia Pro-1 Ultimate. A device so absurdly ambitious it will leave your jaw on the floor wondering, is this physically possible to mass produce, or are we just daydreaming? Let's skip the fluff and tear straight into the cosmic details of this machine. Design. First impressions. That insane industrial design. Now, you're probably thinking, it's Sony, so it's going to be understated, minimalist, and dressed in a business suit. Throw that assumption right out the window. Sony didn't build a corporate calculator here, they built an actual prop ripped straight out of a big-budget sci-fi flick. Up front, the moment you lock eyes with it, you're greeted by a massive, immersive, virtually bezel-free slab of glass. It genuinely feels like holding a pocket-sized IMAX screen. Every border melts away, every corner is machined to perfection, and it instantly feels like a bespoke luxury tool. Flip it over, though, and that's where things get absolutely wild. The back chassis is split into two distinct tiers. One side looks like a sleek, ultra-premium matte flagship phone. The other side, an unapologetically massive DSLR-grade camera module large enough to make any camera nerd grin like an idiot. We're talking about an authentic professional-grade lens housing, the kind you typically spot on a wildlife photographer's rig or an Hollywood cinema production set. Imagine walking down the street pulling this thing out of your pocket. People are going to look at you, look down at the device, look back at you, and ask, bro, is that a cinema camera or a phone? And you can just look back and say, it's an Xperia, baby. It's definitely going to carry some serious heft in the hand, no question. But that weight reminds you this is a professional workhorse, not a plastic toy. The chassis skips cheap polycarbonate and standard aluminum entirely, utilizing a rugged magnesium alloy frame, the exact same material trusted in flagship mirrorless camera bodies. It's lightweight, insanely rigid, and if it accidentally hits the pavement might take the hit. Camera setup. Now let's get down to the crown jewel, that monstrous 500-megapixel DSLR-grade sensor that is keeping engineers in Cupertino and Suwon up at night. Let's dive into the technicals. You've seen 108-megapixel, you've seen 200-megapixel. But a full-blown 500-megapixel DSLR-sized sensor inside a phone? That's the kind of wild spec that makes rival R&D teams slam the brakes and ask, wait, how did they pull that off? We are talking about a physical sensor footprint up to 10 times larger than typical smartphone glass, pushing toward a massive micro 4/3 or beyond. The golden rule of optics is simple: more physical surface area equals massive light gathering capabilities. In pitch black low light, this sensor will pull down razor-sharp, noise-free shots that look like daytime. Chromatic aberration and digital noise, practically wiped from the history books. Let's talk pure reach. 200x digital zoom. Picture yourself standing on a canyon overlook, spotting an eagle soaring miles in the distance. Crank that zoom all the way up, and you're pulling down distinct feather textures with shocking fidelity. 100x space zoom suddenly feels ancient. The video pipeline is purely next level, native 16K video capture. 8K just got pushed into the passenger seat. With 16K capture, you're talking true Hollywood tier indie filmmaking, razor-sharp documentary work, and future-proofed memories rendered in lifelike detail. For slow-mo junkies, expect 4K slow motion at 240 FPS. It's so clean that you can literally film a single raindrop hitting the asphalt and see the microscopic reflection of your own face inside the ripple. Driving all that glass is an upgraded suite of Sony's legendary software, Cinema Pro, Photography Pro, and brand new AI modules. You get world-class real-time IAF that locks onto humans, animals, and birds without breaking a sweat, paired with real-time AI scene optimization that reads the environment instantly. And for raw shooting purists, total, granular tactile control, exposure compensation, ISO ramps, mechanical shutter speeds, custom white balances, the exact workflow of an alpha camera right in your palms. Display. What kind of screen does it take to actually preview 16K footage in massive 500 megapixel stills without cutting corners? You need a reference-grade display tuned for uncompromising fidelity. Sony delivers a massive 6.9-inch 4K HDR OLED panel, engineered specifically because regular Full HD simply cannot do justice to ultra-dense content. With 10-bit color depth pushing over 1 billion true-to-life colors, every shade of crimson, ocean blue, and vivid green matches real-world reality with zero banding. The 144Hz refresh rate makes everything from timeline scrubbing to intense mobile gaming feel like a hot knife slicing through butter. When shooting outside in blistering daylight, the 4500 nits peak brightness keeps the screen effortlessly readable, while tough Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 shields that gorgeous panel from costly drops and scrapes. Performance. To crunch 500 megapixel uncompressed frames and process 16K video pipelines, you need sheer computational horsepower under the hood. At the core sits the bleeding-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, fabbed on an ultra-dense 2nm architecture. It is an absolute powerhouse designed specifically for continuous AI workload acceleration, massive ISP data throughput, and high thermal efficiency. Paired with blazing UFS 5.0 storage, transferring massive gigabytes of raw footage to external SSDs takes mere seconds. To keep thermals in check during extended 4K, 16K rendering runs or long Warzone mobile sessions, it sports an oversized liquid-cooled vapor chamber system that dissipates heat instantly without thermal throttling. Battery life. High-octane camera sensors, heavy-duty processing, and 4K displays require a power source that can keep up without breaking a sweat. Sony packs in an enormous 9500 mAh battery built to power through aggressive creative workloads. Under normal daily use, you can easily cruise past 2 full days, while even the heaviest shooting schedules, packed with non-stop high-res video recording, intense gaming, and media streaming, won't leave you stranded before the end of the day. When you do need juice, the 120-watt wired fast charging tops you off from 0 to 100% in around 20 minutes. Flat, entirely eliminating battery anxiety. Wireless convenience is covered with rapid 50-watt wireless charging, alongside reverse wireless charging so you can drop your earbuds or a friend's dying smartphone right on the backplate for a quick rescue. Software. Sony's signature software approach remains the cleanest in the game, pure, bloat-free stock Android 17. No sketchy sponsored apps, no heavy manufacturer skins, and zero junk, just pure, blazing fast Android speed. Preloaded alongside are Sony's dedicated creative suites, Cinema Pro, Photography Pro, and Music Pro, giving creators the uncompressed codecs and precision audio metering they actually need. Backing this up is a commitment to 3 years of major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patches. For audio, you get custom front-firing true stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, delivering rich spatial separation and visceral bass that genuinely sounds like a mini theater in your hands. Price and availability. Now for the million-dollar question, what does a super phone like this actually cost? Let's keep it real. Right now, this sits in concept territory. Sony hasn't dropped an official press release just yet, though industry insiders hint that Skunkworks teams are actively prototyping tech in this category. If and when a device with these exact specs drops, it definitely won't come cheap. Factor in the custom magnesium body, the 4/3-inch class sensor, the 4K panel, and that massive cell, and you're looking at an estimated US retail price between $2,200 and $2,500. Sounds steep, definitely, but remember, this isn't just a phone. It's a flagship daily driver fused directly with a dedicated pro mirrorless camera. Buying a standalone Sony Alpha body with high-end G Master glass easily runs way north of that. 2 pro-grade devices merged into one everyday carry. That's a serious value proposition for working creators. On the launch radar, realistic projections point toward a prototype showcase around late 2026 or early 2027. The moment official specs or press invites go live, you know we'll have it covered right here. Would you drop $2,000 on a pocket camera beast like this? And if you got your hands on it today, What's the very first shot you're framing up? Your dog, your car, or some epic cinematic landscape? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below.